you're tired. I don't mean the kind of tired that a nap can fix. I mean the soul deep exhaustion of being stuck. You look at your life, your goals, and that vision of the person you want to become, and it feels like there's a massive glass wall between you and that reality. You can see it, you can almost touch it, but you're still standing on the same side of the glass as you were last year. The hardest part isn't the work itself. It's the weight of knowing you're settling. It's that quiet voice in your head at 2 a.m. whispering, "Is this it? Is this all I'm ever going to be?" You've watched the videos, you've bought the planners, and you've had those main character moments of inspiration that last for exactly 3 hours before you collapse back into the scroll. But here's the truth you need to hear. You aren't lazy. You aren't a failure. You're just overwhelmed by the mountain because you've forgotten how to climb. To get to that version of yourself that you keep dreaming about, we need to address 3 things that are holding you back right now. 1, the trap of someday. The biggest lie we tell ourselves is that there is a perfect version of tomorrow. We think that tomorrow we'll wake up with more energy. Tomorrow we'll have more clarity. Tomorrow we'll magically have the discipline we didn't have today. But someday is a graveyard where dreams go to rot. When you wait for the perfect moment, you are actually giving your power away to a future that doesn't exist. The reason you feel stuck is that you're trying to finish the marathon before you've even tied your shoes. You're looking at the finish line and getting intimidated by the distance. So you stay at the starting blocks. The breakthrough happens when you realize that the perfect time is a myth. You have to start in the mess. You have to start while you're tired. You have to start while you're doubting yourself. Growth doesn't happen in the sunshine. It happens in the dirt. 2, focus on the input, not the outcome. We live in a world obsessed with results. We see the six-pack, the bank account, the successful business, and we want that end product immediately. When we don't see it after a week of trying, we quit. You need to shift your obsession from the trophy to the repetition. Stop asking, "When will I be successful?" and start asking, "Did I show up today?" If you want to be a writer, don't worry about the book. Worry about the paragraph. If you want to be fit, don't worry about the scale. Worry about the next 20 minutes of movement. When you fall in love with the process, the results become inevitable. You're not building a wall. You're just laying one brick as perfectly as a brick can be laid. Do that every day, and soon you'll have a cathedral. 3, reclaim your identity. The most dangerous thing you've done is start identifying with your struggle. You've started saying, "I'm a procrastinator," or "I'm just not a disciplined person." Every time you say that, you're writing a script for your own failure. Your past actions do not have to be your future identity. Just because you didn't do the work yesterday doesn't mean you're incapable of doing it today. You have to start acting like the person you want to become before you feel like them. You don't wait to feel confident to take action. You take action and the confidence follows. You are the architect of your own character. Every small choice you make, choosing the book over the phone, the gym over the couch, the work over the distraction, is a vote for the person you are becoming. I know it's hard. I know you've let yourself down before. But the fact that you're still here, still listening, and still feeling that itch for something more means that the fire hasn't gone out yet. You've been waiting for a sign. This is it. You've been waiting for permission. I'm giving it to you. You don't need a new year. You don't need a new Monday. You just need this moment. Take a deep breath. Feel that heartbeat? That's your potential. It's still there. It's waiting for you to stop apologizing for it and start using it. You've got the tools. You've got the vision. And deep down, in that place you're afraid to look, you know you've got the strength. It's time to stop watching your life from the sidelines. It's time to step onto the field. You've got this. Now go prove it to yourself.